Are you ready to explore the mysteries of black holes? Have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into one? Join Study Room 26 as we delve into the depths of space and uncover the secrets of these fascinating cosmic phenomena. Contrary to their name, black holes are not dark, empty spaces. They are actually a massive amount of matter packed into a very small space. In fact, if you were to squeeze 4 suns into something that is just 15 miles, 24 kilometers, in diameter, the gravity would be so strong that even light can't escape. That's why black holes are invisible, but we can detect them through gamma-ray bursts emitted by the hole. So, what happens if you fall into a black hole? The first thing you would notice is the stars appearing twisted around a perfect circle of darkness. As you get closer, you would start to feel the gravitational force pulling you faster and faster. Unfortunately, this is where the bad news begins. The gravitational force of a black hole is so strong that if you fell feet first, your legs would feel a stronger gravitational pull than your head, and your body would be stretched apart. However, if you fell into a supermassive black hole, which is 1,000,000 times heavier than our sun, you would be pulled in without being torn apart. The gravity would pull both your feet and your head with almost the same strength, leaving your body unharmed. But crossing the event horizon, which is the point at which the gravitational pull becomes so strong that you can't escape, is just the beginning of the challenge. At the center of the black hole, there is a gravitational singularity where density becomes infinite. You would be squashed into that center and become one with the black hole. You wouldn't be able to tell anyone about your experience. However, if someone was observing you outside of the event horizon, they would see a very different picture. As you fell into the black hole, you would slow down, get dimmer and redder, and eventually freeze without ever crossing the event horizon. This is because space and time swap their roles inside the black hole. At the event horizon, time comes to a standstill, while space moves forward. But what about the information about your body? According to Stephen Hawking, there are alternate universes with different histories. In one reality, you fell into a black hole, while in the second one, there was no black hole. Therefore, it's impossible to be certain from outside the event horizon whether there's a black hole or not until you fall in. Even when the black hole eventually dies, emitting all the particles it had absorbed, including your body, it would be impossible to tell whether those particles were you. But Stephen Hawking found a way in which the information about your body wouldn't be lost. In the end, falling into a black hole is a one-way trip. But if you're drawn to the mysteries of the universe and have a thirst for adventure, would you dare to explore the possibility? So, there you have it, the secrets of black holes, and what would happen if you fell into one. Remember, if you ever come across a black hole, it's best to stay away and continue your search for a new planet for humans to inhabit. Who knows what other fascinating discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space? For getting more interesting and informative science video, do like, share, and subscribe our channel Study Room 26.